What's up, guys? This is Mustang here. Today we're gonna show you this kitty right here, So I made it myself. This is my idea. So this is my kitty cat. Why? Okay, just ignore that. Wait. Much better. So when I was confused, just do nothing, and I got an idea. I just make my own kitty. Meow. Hello. Meow. And I just make it. My idea is bright. Or boogie eye. Give me that boogie eye. Yeah, get up. Get out. So this guy right here, we no need your update. No. That is my last chance. So this kitty right here, it's looks like cute. Looks like a cat with a wolf face. So I love this one. So make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, I didn't tell you the tutorial. First, you need to use your cat fur, whatever you like, and make the face look cute. If not cute, don't remind me. I'm just still watching. So if your face is ugly as a kitten, it's fine. It will be your just an imagination. So this kitty is mine. Look at this cutie cheeks. Oh, I love these cheeks. And the mouth and the color and eyes and the whiskers and the ears. So when I was at my very own house, as the wooden house. So I just in China, that is the house on Kankan. Sorry about that. So I got a cat named I don't remember. Oh, his name is Garty. So that's a wild cat, and I named him. And so actually she missed me because I miss her too, because that is a far long way. So here's the location. My kitty right here. This is Kankan, and threw away here, right here. That is, oh my God, that is how away. Don't tell me it's. Don't tell me. 900 kilometers. 900 kilometers. That's 4. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe us to get 1360 subscribers. Thanks to the kitty. Meow. I love you. Aww. It's the kitty, the squeaky. I will call you Brownie.